Let's combine 3D architecture with our 3D model of ventilation system using free Tekla BIMsight application. Launch the BIMsight application. We have created a project in advance. Now we open it. Click the View button. On the left we see the list of files added to the project. These are architecture in 3D, floor plans exported from the Revit software, and the file with ventilation systems of the entire building in IFC format, created in AXON-vent. IFC is a standard format for BIM files. You can look at the entire building. We see our designed ventilation system. Now we can see the parameters of the ventilation objects. This is possible due to the ability to export from AXON-vent to IFC files. Double-click on a diffuser. On the right side you can see its characteristics, model, and airflow rate. Double-click on a grill. On the right side you can see its characteristics, model, and airflow rate. Double-click the duct. On the right side you can see its characteristics, the layer it is placed in, its size, and that it was created in the AXON-vent. Now you can check for collisions. We will look for collisions on the third floor. Click on the view of third floor plus ventilation. Click on the conflict checking tab. Click the Add a New Rule button. Name the rule, for example, ventilation of the third floor and architecture. Expand the upper list and select the file with the ventilation of the third floor. Expand the second list and select the file with the architecture. Click the Save Changes button. Launch the collision check. Yellow badges indicate the intersection of ducts and walls.